So basically, MrBeast has this burger and Dream collaborated with him, so we're gonna get that too. And so I just got this mic too, so I think you guys can hear me loud and clear, so there shouldn't be any audio problems. So yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get some burgers, and yeah, let's just go get them right now. Let's hope it's not closed. So let's get this MrBeast burger and let's see how it is. Alright guys, so we finally got the MrBeast burger, guys. And guys, look at inside. It came with the burger, it came with stickers. You know, yeah, it looks pretty cool, guys. The packaging looks awesome, guys. So, you know, hopefully it tastes good too. Let's see if it's worth the money. Come on, bro, what the heck? Alright guys, so yeah, we just got it, guys. Let's try it out. Let's hope it's good. Alright guys, so we're back at home, and as you can see right here, we just got the MrBeast burger. First thing is this. It's just an empty box. I don't know why, it's just an empty box. I thought it was food in it, I guess. Imagine they gave us nothing. Alright, but yeah, that's just a plain box. Gave us 3 Carl cups. Actually no, a Chris cup, another Carl cup, and yeah, and we got so many stickers. Oh my gosh. Damn. Look, we even got Dream stickers. What? Why is there so many stickers? Alright. Well, it's not the stickers. We don't want the stickers. We want the burgers. So, alright. The Beast burger. The Beast style burger. Wow. Oh, it's warm too. It's warm. Let's do the reveal, guys. What in the world is this? Hold up. Am I doing? Is it the wrong way? I can't tell. Bro, did they burn it? Or am I just? Oh no, it's fine. Oh my gosh! Look at the MrBeast burger, guys. That looks good. That looks good, guys. Holy! Should I just try it? All right, let's just try it. First bite. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So guys, as you can see, there's pickles in it. And I don't like pickles, so let's just throw that away. It has a lot of meat. Oh my gosh, the ketchup is dripping down. Guys, this is really good. That's pretty good. So let's just put that right there. It's time to try out the Dream burger because Dream collaborated with MrBeast burger. As you can see, the Dream sticker right there. Oh, yeah, I kind of broke it. All right. Oh my God, it's so much bigger. So much bigger. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a big boy. Look at that. Holy gosh, that is huge. Once again, I do not like pickles, so let's just throw the pickles out. Can't see this one. Alright guys, I'm just trying, bro. This is full with bacon, burger, cheese, lettuce. I don't see avocado, but it doesn't matter, guys. Let's just try it. Let's just try it. Wow. That is good. Both burgers are really good. I think the Dream burger is way better because there's bacon and so much more flavor. I'm gonna let my brother try to see what he thinks about the burger, so. Alright guys, so I got my brother to try the MrBeast and Dream burger, guys. Just go for it, just go. Try the MrBeast burger and see what you think about it. It's a big bite. Alright, so what do you think about it, the Burger Beast? 1 out of 10, what do you think about it?
A 9.
A 9? It's good, right?
9.
Okay, now it's time for him to try the Dream burger. Oh my gosh, look at all that green. What do you think about it? What do you think about it?
It's good.
Yeah, that one's good too, right? 1 out of 10, 1 out of 10.
That's a 10.
That's a 10? Dang, guys. That has bacon and everything, guys. Like, the packaging is awesome. Which one do you like better? The Dream burger or the Beast burger? Which one you like better?
The Dream.
Yeah, I kind of like the Dream burger too. It has a lot more stuff in it and flavor, guys. Alright guys, so yeah.